Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money to India using Wise. This process is actually quite simple. All we need to do is open our Wise account. When we go to create our account, the first thing they'll ask for is our email address, whether it's a personal or business account, and well, all the usual information they request when signing up. So, first of all, what we're going to do to send money is actually quite simple. We're going to look for this option that we have here at the bottom of our account. And we're going to choose the send option, this one right here. When we select the send option right here in this section, we're going to choose how much we want to send. And here in this section below, we'll see how much the other person will receive. Here, we need to set India as the destination country for the funds. Once everything is ready here, we'll click on Continue. Alright, when we click on Continue, this screen will appear, showing us what type of transfer we're going to make. Okay, we choose an option here depending on which one we want. We need to carefully read what each one says. And here, it will ask us if this transfer is for ourselves or for someone else. Here you enter whatever applies to your situation. And now it will ask us for our email address and our bank details or the bank details of the other person. You also have the UPI option, which you can choose if you have more issues with the local bank account. Okay? And well, that's it. We just select the amount and send the money. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.